GPUs right now are extremely expensive if you can even find them. So there's an easy solution. We just 3D print them. And here we have a 4090. And this thing is cool. So original designers' links are in the description below if you want to go make your own 4090, or they also have a 5092, which we'll cover on this channel as well. But you can see we have all the different parts going to go together here. Now, I did get the orientation wrong when I put it together. I was like, wait a minute, that's not the right way. But either way, it's going to end up looking really freaking cool. So we've got the 4090 here, which has a fan slot on the other side. And then on a 4090, there's another fan and the other way up. So we're going to put that on. Now, this should not be this, the frame should be the other way around, but it's good enough. And of course, this is also the Founders Edition version as well. Now you can see one piece went in beautifully. The other piece, not so good. I had to whack away at this for quite some time and take it off camera to actually get it to go in, as it was extraordinarily tight. But overall, ended up coming out looking pretty damn good. And I was going to go with a hammer there, but I realized I'm going to break something. So I decided to go a little bit more and get clamps and stuff and got it in there. So yeah, this is beautiful and it looks really cool. Now, of course, we've got two fans, one up, one down, as this is slightly different actually from the 5090's design. And of course, if you've ever built a PC, this is exactly how you install the fans, by screwing them in like this. Totally legit. This is how they do it in the factories. And this actually took a little while to get it all down, and once we were down, we have ourselves a cool spinning fan underneath. And then we can get another one installed, and we are actually almost done. We've of course got our side PCs to install, which will give us the overall volume of this thing. But I've always been very big on the design of the 4090. It looks really cool. I love the metal design with the brace going through the entire thing. So yeah, now we're going to install our side pieces. These just going to go into ball joints that kind of hold them in place, not well, but enough that they can stay in there on their own weight, and ends up looking sensational. So totally didn't assemble this right. As you'll notice from the back plate, it's not quite in the right position, but it's close enough, and I'm not getting that piece of plastic out after whacking it in there. So it's staying like this. But it looks like a 4090. It's absolutely gorgeous, really freaking cool. So very impressed with this. It was also a ton of fun to print out and actually very easy for this one. Although the 5090, which I've got a separate video coming up on, that was harder. It was actually way more difficult to print out. It was a tough print.